One of the most undervalued factors that influences our health is stress. So why is this? The main problem with stress is that it's non-tangible. It's not like a skin rash or a tumor or a swollen joint that's obvious to the eye. When it's out of sight, it's out of mind. And this is just part of the reason why stress doesn't get the full credit it deserves for making you unwell. What many don't understand is that stress is a full body major physiological event that impacts every system within your body. So stress has the potential to impact any system of your body, creating an imbalance or a disease there. The modern world is a stressful place, and we're surrounded by stress at every turn. Stress takes many forms, and the total sum of all these stresses and the impact that it's having on our body is called our allostatic load. Most people's allostatic load is much higher than they give themselves credit for, and it's this wear and tear on the body that takes its toll on our health and on our happiness. By mastering your stress response and learning how to induce what's called the relaxation response through mindfulness meditation, you can effectively decrease your allostatic load, minimizing the negative influence stress has on your body whilst preventing illness and enhancing your health. Most people have experienced the human stress response, or fight or flight. Fight or flight is a normal physiological response the body has that's activated in times of stress, and it's designed to save your life from a clearly defined present moment threat, not to make you unwell. What many people are unaware of, however, is that there's an opposite response to fight or flight. This is known as the relaxation response. So, the fight or flight response is what puts you into the stress response, but the relaxation response is what takes you out of the stress response. Most people are fantastic at putting themselves into stress response, but not many people are that fantastic at taking themselves out of it. Your ability to react and respond to the stresses in your life determines how much these stresses impact your health and happiness. The relaxation response is key here to controlling your stress response. The ability to induce the relaxation response is a skill that can be learned and a skill that can be mastered. Your defense against the impact that stress is having on your body, health, and happiness is largely dependent on how skilled you are at engaging the relaxation response. The optimal way to learn how to master the stress response is through a well-designed course that gives you an intellectual understanding of health, stress, and the techniques required to induce the relaxation response, but it also gives you a deep experience of what the meditation process is all about. If this is something you think could benefit your life, then stay tuned for the end of this presentation, because I'll give you some information on my 8-week Mastering the Stress Response course. But before I get to the details of this, here's 3 tips to get you started towards mastering your stress response. So number 1, awareness. The first step towards change is awareness that you need to change. So with stress, the first step is being aware that you're under stress. This involves understanding what stress is. We have stresses on the physical, mental, emotional, social, spiritual, financial, and familial levels of health. So truly understanding stress and how it manifests in the body and life is crucial. So read books on the stress response, take a course such as my course, watch TEDx talks on stress and the brain. The point here is to increase your intellectual understanding of what stress is and how it affects your body and the psyche, so you know when you are stressed. Once you're aware that you are stressed, you can take action to change this. Tip 2. Pause. When under stress, our consciousness projects either into the future or into the past. This means we're not living in the present moment. In these states, we can make poor decisions in the way that we respond and react to the situation at hand. Taking a mindful moment to pause when under stress is important. As you increase your skill set towards stress, meditation, and mindfulness, you will come to realize that in this moment you have control. You have choice. The quality of this choice will determine the quality of the outcome. Tip 3. Breathe. The breath. It's always there and it's always in the present moment. When you're feeling stressed, take a mindful moment to pause and simply connect to the breath. Feel the air entering your nostrils, flowing down into your lungs, filling them. Feel the movement of your chest and belly as you breathe, rising with the in-breath, sinking with the out-breath. Follow the breath just for a few moments. By doing this, it distracts you away from the projection that occurs under stress. Following the breath brings you back to the present moment. It opens up that space and the opportunity to make better quality choices in that moment. So there's 3 tips that can help you to begin to master your stress response. If you'd like to learn more about the stress response, the relaxation response, health, and the role that stress has in the creation of disease, I encourage you to consider registering for my 8-week Mastering the Stress Response Mindfulness Meditation course. This course is specifically designed to get you to intellectually understand your body, the stress response, meditation, as well as learn the techniques to induce the relaxation response at will and experience the calmness and stillness it brings. The course is structured week by week to take you deeper and deeper into the science and art of stress management through mindfulness meditation. As I say in the course, meditation is medication. The health benefits are vast, and you can learn this medication and give yourself a daily dose. If you'd like to learn more about meditation and what it is to be mindful, I have a few options available. The first one is a regular workshop called An Introduction to Mindfulness and Meditation. On this workshop, I guide you through what this whole thing called meditation is. We look at various styles of meditation. We look at health and what health actually is, stress and the human response to it, human behavior, and so much more. As part of the workshop, you'll receive a 30,000 word workshop manual to help you learn even more so when you get home. You'll also get an essential oil gift to help deepen your meditation, a downloadable MP3 guided meditation by yours truly, and exclusive access to a meditation support group to help you on your path. This workshop is designed to give an in-depth understanding of what it is to meditate, as well as all the required skills to establish a healthy meditation and mindfulness practice. For more information, visit my website www.edwardenever.com or shoot me an email on info@edwardenever.com. If you'd like to dive even deeper down the rabbit hole of meditation, then I encourage you to register for my 8-week mindfulness-based stillness meditation course. This is the style of meditation that's taught at the Gawler Foundation in Melbourne, in Australia, and it's the product of over 20 years of meditation experience from multiple highly experienced meditation practitioners. This course is structured to gently lead you into the heart, the science, and the essence of meditation. There will be a series of detailed techniques and teachings on how to meditate and the science behind it, accompanied by a sequence of meditation practice sessions. This course is well suited for both beginners and experienced meditators that are wishing to deepen their meditation. I look forward to working with you soon.